I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so.
Hey guys, it's been a while since I've done a cleaning video, and my upstairs is a hot mess. So it snowed. I'll show you guys the snow. And I have laundry, clean laundry right here. All of this is clean. This is clean. I don't know about that. Gotta wash the sheets. And everything else is clean. Jackson's room is not bad. It just needs a little bit of... this room is not bad. And this is my niece's room. Well, that's Maddie, but my niece is staying in here, so I won't invade her privacy. So let's get started.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Okay guys, so I'm going to organize underneath my kitchen sink. I just picked up this organizer from Target. It was $35, and I have big plans for this. This was $35. Get off my back, please. And then this one was $20, but it has a little handle where you can put like dish towels and stuff. So that's $20. So I picked up this guy. It's 2-tier. This one pulls out. This bottom one pulls out. And the top one is just stationary. So let's get organizing of this kitchen.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box.
So, this is where I'm gonna keep all my cleaning rags, dish towels, and the girls' hair stuff here because I wash their hair in the sink, as well as their backup conditioner and shampoo. There is where I keep my tabs for my dishwasher, and over here is just a bunch of miscellaneous cleaning products, trash bag, a wet one to clean out the lid of the trash can, and these are all the what are these called? Whatever these are, and that's it. All organized. Okay, evidently there's a flaw. There's a design flaw. Okay, good.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights,